This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Can we see it?
No.
Please?
Sure.
Pretty
So,
please?
so we have a macro version, and this this when I saw this name, I was expecting like so many options, but when I run this, so Joe recently work on this one. So this is so simple and kind of like, yeah, you just hit a button and let me demonstrate this. So I hit F8 and it will record, and I have to hit F8 again. So it only gives me the code. I cannot test it from here. So I have to test here that code, and you can see it is doing automate my task, and it is trying to click on images. And when I run it, it will, okay, let me try.
Yeah, but the important, this is very early
Mhm.
version of it. But now go back and do like open up site or even ASM. So you see here we have these binary versions of an image, right? From Find Text, which is what I think most people here are familiar with. But if we go into here and like open the find, do a control F in site.
Yeah. So we have this button, and
You don't have the
should I extract it out?
no, it's all right. It's a setting you have to change in your user properties. But just it should still those buttons will work. They're just not as obvious to navigate and to work with.
Okay, so when I record here and click here and hit F8, so this time when I show you the code, let me remove everything and paste. So this time we are not using like AMT in here. We are just doing a simple click because automate my task knows that this is the Win32 control, and we can just approach it in a very simple way. So when I run this, and it will gonna highlight, uh, it will gonna click on the button, even though that button was behind the VS Code, it just go ahead and then click on that find button and highlight this text.
So to clarify, what I did, and this was just again, I was on a call with Ryan Wells and Thomas Kahn, who's also a Hero member. We were having an AI talk and just how entrepreneurs use AI. And I was developing, ironically, this during that call, right? So I was multitasking, as we all probably do. And what I asked it to do was like, hey, when I go to do click something, look underneath it. And if it's a Win32 control, hey, let's not take a picture of it, right? We're gonna realize that we can send control click or however we want to implement it with send message or post message, however, right, to it instead of taking a picture of it. If it's not a Win32 control, then take the normal sized area around where I click, and this is part of the current problem that maybe Irfan had was when you click, sometimes the thing you click changes interacts with it and changes. So by the time it takes the picture, it may not be what was there, right? So I got to work on
Yeah,
that. But
yeah. For example, I'm clicking here, so my mouse is covering this button. So whatever I record has this mouse pointer in there.
well, and when you move your mouse away, it doesn't look like that.
Yeah.
So yeah. So you get the point. That's why in automate my tasks we have it where you move away and hit the hotkey again, so we get it where it's not touch, right? And I already have an approach that'll get rid of that issue. But this was really cool because now it opens up the door of like I don't have to decide do I well, what if what I'm automating is Win32 controls? There's a far superior way than looking for images, right? This is figuring that out and taking the best approach based off that. But what if we had another level that says, well, let's throw in UIA as well, right? And
Mm-hmm.
if UIA was another level, like, hey, if it's Win32 controls, absolutely it's the way I would go. If it's not, does UIA identify the element where I am? Okay, well, in behind the scenes, I'm going to use my UIA macro recorder for doing these things. Oh, if that can't find it, then we switch to the fuzzy text with automate my task and looking for pictures, that identify it.
I was just about to ask if UIA you could incorporate that there, but that you just
No.
did what you just said. I'm like, yeah, that
Yeah, in the long run, yeah. But first, we need to stabilize our UIA library, right? And then we'll start working that in
So
to
it's kind of like Ultimate Spy.
it's an ultimate macro recorder. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It's smart enough to realize what you're automating. There's a better way to grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule.